Let's take a wander over into the beans. That's got another interesting story. We've got two of those contracts, both say lean hogs has a good story, beans have a good story. Interesting trade overnight. You know, sometimes these things take on a persona on their own and their own kind of personality. And this market traded higher overnight looking for, it smelled like it was looking for stops. What I mean by stops or buy stops, when a price is triggered, traders have to get out and they buy the market up higher. Well, they couldn't find anything, and when you don't find those stops, the market will sink back in a little bit lower. In doing so, we did hit some technical levels on the way up, but the market kind of retraced and made it look like there was nothing really there, and it looks as though, to me, that's exactly what happened. We were looking for some buy stops, didn't find them, the market settled back in to where it took off. So, in doing so, we went through that 940 level, and yeah, that's been happening. And we now need to be trade above and close above that 948 level. That's going to be the kind of next key if you're looking to the upside. What these bullish traders will kind of look at. I think that to give you both sides of the trade, though, I mean, bullish. You've got a story building with, say, the weather, and we can't get the stuff out, and it's giving us a smaller carryover, right? So things are getting tight. You throw China in there, and that could be kind of a good bullish story going into the fall here after harvest. But the bearish story is this. We've got the funds are long, and the small speculators are also long, and that doesn't happen very often. And I kind of think that sometimes well, it hardly ever happens, and when you get everybody on one side of the boat, what's the news that's going to come in to give us new buyers if everybody else is already long? That's what you got to worry about. So that's the bear side of the story. So we're building a nice, say, fundamental story for the bull because of weather and geopolitical stuff and a tightening carryover. But then on the bear side of the story is maybe some folks have rushed to judgment a little bit too soon and might be just a little bit out over their skis. Only time will tell. It'll be interesting to see how this story shapes up later.